Hey everyone, welcome back to our daily episodes of yteamhotwheels. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to all notifications. In today's episode, let's check out some Hot Wheels mainline cars and some upcoming new premiums. So let's check out new upcoming mixed K-Case cars, a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk, a Gr86, a Chrysler Pacifica, and a Land Rover Series 2. New upcoming car as a Toyota Gr86 will be in mainline with the Hot Wheels logo on sides. Now let's check out a complete lineups of a new upcoming case as a mixed J case 2024. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. A diecast stock is unleashing the highly detailed 1:64 US exclusive GCD Toyota GR Corolla Circuit Edition in Blue Flame, limited to 504 pieces, with 21 rare polished metal chase editions, featuring working steering and suspension, plus an authentic dry carbon roof. So don't miss your chance to own a piece of diecast perfection. Pre-order it now, www.shopdiecast.com. A Flame Models presents a Peterbilt semi-trailer, color of the truck Martini livery, made from diecast, releasing on June 2024. A King Models presents a Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG W204. Color of the cars are silver, black and white. Limited up to 999 each color, made from diecast, releasing on June 2024. A DCM Models presents a Porsche 993 modified, color of a car chrome rainbow, limited up to 999 units, made from diecast, releasing on June 2024. Another model by DCM presents a Porsche 993 modified. Color of a car green. Limited up to 999 units. Made from diecast. Releasing on June 2024. A Fuji Models presents a Honda NSX NA1 Advanced Modified. Color of a car Advanced livery. Limited up to 599 units. Made from diecast. Releasing on June 2024. Another model by Fuji Models presents a Honda NSX NA1 Advanced Modified. Color of a car white and carbon. Limited up to 599 units. Made from diecast. Releasing on June 2024. And the last model for today's episode is by Focal Horizon Models presents a Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Nismo 400R. Color of a car Magic Purple. Limited up to 999 units. Made from diecast. Releasing on July 2024. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications.